Hey everybody, hope you're having a good February. We got in the brand new Fast and Furious F-Case mix, and there's a couple of cars in here that are smoking hot. So, without further ado, check out F-Case, Fast and Furious. As always, we're going to do a top-down view. There's a super nice casting in here that I personally am hot on, which those of you that have followed us for a while know that I like Subarus. But then there's also a really nice Honda in this case. The card backs are sharp. The first two cars of this case are the 2016 Subaru WRX STI. And I've always loved the STI, and I've actually owned one of these. It was not a 16. But these cars are just unbelievable on any sort of weather adverse conditions. Anyways, this particular Fast and Furious STI is sick. What do you guys think about that? There's that car. The next two cars in the case right there are the Nissan 240 SX S14. It's got the gold and yellow and brown and white tampos on it. This is definitely a car that people are loving to collect. Starting to get a few examples of it. Very nice. The next two cars in the case. Again, this one right here, first debuted, I think, in the Fast and Furious 1 A case last year. It was like blue and orangey red stripe on it. It's the Nissan Silvia. This one is a solid color. Doesn't have the racing tampos on it. This one's very sharp. And I love those kinds of wheels. The next two cars in the case are the Civic that I had mentioned when I popped it open. The Honda Civic EG. This car right here is just super popular. I really like the wheels on it. It's kind of hard to see them because they're black. But they're 6-spoke black. Blacked out rims. There's the Honda Civic that's in the Fast and Furious. And then the last two cars are the Mazda RX7 FD. These have the 5-spoke. I don't know if you remember this, but they used to use these in Ferrari garage cars a few years ago. I love these wheels too. Again, Mazda Super Tuner car. This is the Fast Tuners. Fast and Furious Fast Tuners. Super cool case. Here's a top-down view of it. Thank you again for joining us. This is Wheel Collectors Hot Off the Truck, Fast and Furious. Thanks again for joining us.